Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, go for your library and choose that playlist you want to delete. So I'll go for this new playlist. Now when you are in this page, go for in this three dot option. After that you can see here a delete playlist option. Click on it and go for delete, and you can see this playlist already deleted. So this is how you can delete a playlist on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.